Hey YouTube, I'm back, and like I promised last week, when I don't remember. Actually, I forgot what I posted last week, but I have another unboxing. I've already unpackaged it to save time and all that. So yeah, I guess let's just get into it. Okay, first, I don't know what it is, but for some reason I like 3x3 mod cubes. So, or I have a bunch. I have the Mirror Cube, which is for sale. The Icon Cube, which really isn't a mod. Mega Minx, Void Cube, and old crappy ones. So, I ordered, and the Access Cube. So I ordered a Case Cube, Diane Shang. And it turns great. There's a loose piece in it, but it was in one of these edge caps. I don't know if that's like a spare piece or what, but there's the checkerboard. I like what it looks like. Kind of looks like some kind of mask off like, I don't know, some weird video game. It turns pretty good actually. But I got that. And I got a Fisher Cube, Diane Shang. It turns pretty good. They all have normal color schemes except with dark colors instead of bright. The orange is a little brighter on this one. The rest is the same. Okay, I got that one. And I got this thing. There's a lot in it. First we'll do this one. I haven't opened these yet, so I'll get my knife. It's a ShengShou 2x2. I got it because my last 2x2 broke, so I had to get another one. Comes with instructions. Got textured stickers. It is adjustable, I can already see that. So let's check the corner cutting. It has a decent corner cutting, better than my last one. My last one was a cheap knockoff, and this is actually small. There it is to Rubik's 3x3. Sorry about my voice. So yeah, ShengShou 2x2, and then ShengShou 3x3. I got a whole set of ShengShou. Comes with instructions also, which this will be my best 3x3 because all I have is a Rubik's. Ooh, this is good. Out of the box, turns great. Better than this because I've modded this and lubed it, and it just sucks. I think I scrambled it. No, okay. Dang, this turns great. Corner cutting. Line to line. Ooh. It does it easily. Can't go over line to line. It goes right at line to line. So, 3x3. This will be a duplicate. Instructions again. ShengShou shell 4x4. And just like my other one. My other one's broken though. Got 2 shank shell 4x4s. So yeah, I wouldn't review that because I've already reviewed it. And then, oh yeah, size comparison. Exact same size. It's more rounded though. And this one. If I can get it open. More instructions, yay. Shank shell 5x5. Doesn't turn that great, but I'm sure once I break it in it will. Textured stickers also. So the 2x2 and 5x5 are textured stickers, but the 3x3 and 4x4 aren't. They're smooth. I'm sure once I break it in it'll work better. 5x5, and then this one. If I can get it open. 3x3x7, cube. Ugh. Kind of clicky. It's another cuboid. It's not proportional though. So that'll go with my floppy cube and my domino and my 3x3x4. Now all I need is 3x3x5 and 4x4x5. So cube for you 5x5, and then lastly, it's not what you think it is. I wish it was though. Kind of Gigaminx. And this is gonna be my biggest puzzle. An MFA Donododecahedron. If I can figure out how it turns. Wow, that's stiff. Like really stiff. It takes a lot of force to turn it. Hopefully I can tension it. This is my biggest puzzle. This was my biggest puzzle. So there it is to Crystal Pyraminx. It's massive. Here it is to a little tiny Gigaminx. I'm hoping I can tension this. Okay, good. I can tension it. Gotta get the cat back in there. Okay. This turns bad. Maybe once I break it down, it'll turn better. It takes a lot of force to turn it. This is massive though. I like the color scheme. It's kind of the same as the Crystal Pyraminx. Yeah, it's about the same. Except there's no white, which I think is great. So yeah, that's my unboxing. I'm gonna play with these a little bit, and then I will post a review shortly. Thank you for watching.